Microsoft has released an overhauled Xbox app for Android into beta that includes the ability to remotely play Xbox games streamed directly from your console. Quoting The Verge. The Xbox Remote Play feature, known previously as console streaming, lets you remotely connect to an Xbox One console and play games you've already downloaded to it. This is different from Microsoft's xCloud service, as anyone with an Android phone can now stream all of their games directly from their own Xbox One console. xCloud currently only works with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate titles, and games are streamed from Microsoft's cloud servers instead, end quote. But since we're on Microsoft and games, Microsoft has also come out and said that it does intend to honor Bethesda's currently announced PS5 exclusives. However, it will assess bringing future games to other consoles on a, quote, case-by-case basis, quoting Bloomberg. Nadella said Microsoft may consider releasing games on other platforms in the future. Quote, when we think about strategy, whether it's in gaming or any other part of Microsoft, each layer has to stand on its own for what it brings. When we talk about our content, we want our content to be broadly available, end quote. Which sounds to me like, yeah, we'll say we'll work with anybody in the future, but in reality, down the road, we'll see. Because, this is all about exclusives. In a streaming gaming world, things will start to look a lot like they do in the streaming video world. You'll subscribe to the service that has the games you want, just like you now subscribe to the service that has the shows you want. With the Bethesda acquisition, Microsoft has expanded its game studios from 15 to 23 and added hit Bethesda franchises to Xbox Game Pass already. This is a long-term strategic play, and it is all about exclusives, quoting GeekWire. In a research note Monday, Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives wrote, quote, while Microsoft is firmly well entrenched on the cloud front, which is a two-horse race with AWS, its consumer strategy has been on a treadmill as heavily tied to the mature PC Windows environment. While Xbox and gaming have been successful, Microsoft recognizes its need for consumer-based revenue growth, which we believe this deal will directly help drive along, end quote.